$500,000 and what I lost before is yours. I wouldn't want to stay with it any longer than that.
All right, Mr. Maverick. When do you need the money?
As soon as we die.
Well, this to be a first-name partnership. Mine's Samantha.
Mine's Fred.
And good night, Fred.
The Stonewall Jackson paddled into St. Louis right on schedule. And I went hunting for equipment.
It's Brad. You all.
Yang, laugh. Laugh.
Lift this.
Laugh. Come on, look. I'm taking the...
No, I don't want a video.
Move it, move it.
You take a video of something else. Here, come on, help me.
I can now.
Come on, this bag is too heavy for me to lift in the bag. How you want to take a video of the kitchen for?
Because
You like it anyway. You hate this house.
I hate you and I'm with you.
Yeah, same way. Like I said to Jackie, your vacation's over.
Now what I do? Just stop it. How you stop it, Yang?
I